Hey guys, welcome to the ITS store where we get you the gear you need to get up, get out, and get after it. Today we're taking a look at the Expiration Refresh Pack, which allows you to refresh expiring components from our boo-boo kit without having to purchase an entirely new kit. So we get it, bumps, scrapes, and bruises happen in real life, and when they do, you'll be reaching for the boo-boo kit, and this means you may run down on certain supplies before others. So while we've tried to include enough stock of each item in the boo-boo kit, we know that things happen, so we've made this Expiration Refresh Pack so you can refresh your boo-boo kit or just stock up on additional items. So what's in the Expiration Refresh Pack? Inside of the pack, you'll find 4 sealed bags here at the bottom, and we'll get into each one of these bags in detail. We'll start off with the 4-inch strip of Moleskin. Moleskin is great for treating blisters or hot spots on long hikes. It's an adhesive-backed Moleskin, so it's easy to apply and it stays put. Speaking of adhesive, the Expiration Refresh Pack contains a total of 10 Band-Aids. These are the real deal, not the dollar store variety. They're fabric, so they'll move with your skin while also staying put. This pack contains 10 Band-Aids total. That's 6 1-inch Band-Aids and 4 3/4-inch Band-Aids. If you've got a cut or other injury that's just too big for a Band-Aid, we've also included 2 packs of 3M's Steri strips, which are really great reinforced skin closures, so you're not having to suture someone in the field. Each Steri strip pack includes 3 individual strips, so you'll receive a total of 6 strips with each Expiration Refresh Pack. For wound preparation, we've included both alcohol prep pads and iodine prep pads in case you don't want to use alcohol. There are 2 of each of these pads included in the Expiration Refresh Pack. Stings and burns are another type of injury you might encounter when out and about, and to treat both of these, we've included 2 packages of burn gel and 2 packages of sting relief. Anyone that's dealt with nasty summer mosquitoes would pay almost anything for one of these sting relief pads, trust me. Infection is always a risk when it comes to wound care, and to help offset some of that, we've included 2 packages of triple antibiotic ointment. These packages are durable and allow you to apply the ointment directly to further reduce the risk of infection. In colder or windy climates, chapped lips can put you down for the count, but you'll be ready for that with the 2 included packages of Lip Guard lip ointment. As a side note, this stuff smells amazing and it makes the whole Expiration Refresh Pack smell great. I'm not sure if that's a selling point, but if you care about how your kits smell, wait until you get a whiff of these bad boys. Lastly, we move on to the medication portion of the Expiration Refresh Pack. Here you'll find medications to deal with pretty much anything you could think of in the outdoors or out and about. Starting off, we've got what those in the military will know as a cure-all, and that's Ibuprofen. Similar to Tussin, no matter what issue you have, Ibuprofen is the way to treat it. In reality, this is a great pain reliever and fever reducer. Also for pain treatment, we've got 2 packs of aspirin for your run-of-the-mill aches and pains. If you're saying, wait, I can't take aspirin, well, there's no worries. We've included 2 packages of non-aspirin as well. For those battling seasonal allergies, where it seems like Mother Nature has it out for you, keep the included 2 packs of Difen close at hand. This antihistamine is great for relieving the itchy throat and runny nose that usually follows being attacked by a wicked wildflower or a dandelion. If you've got an expired MRE that you're willing to take a risk on and it ends up going bad for you, we've included 2 packs of the Diamode anti-diarrheal to help you turn that back porch faucet off. If it's a particularly bad case, you may end up with some symptoms of dehydration, which can get pretty dangerous pretty quickly. So we've included these 2 packs of electrolyte tablets to help you fend off that dehydration. So that sums up the contents of the Expiration Refresh Pack. A couple quick final notes. This pack weighs in at 2 ounces and comes in this snazzy ITS branded resealable packaging. The whole pack measures about 6 1/4 inches long, 4 inches wide, and about 1 1/4 inches thick. Don't forget to check out our full-size boo-boo kit for a complete first aid solution. Check our store description and photos for more information on the Expiration Refresh Pack. If you're watching on our YouTube channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email at support@itstactical.com. As always, thanks for joining us here in the ITS store, where we get you the gear you need to get up, get out, and get after it.